For decades, we treated them as fiction. We watched movies about robots walking among us, doing our chores, building our cities, and sometimes replacing us. We thought this reality was 50 years away. We were wrong. Tesla has just showcased the latest evolution of its humanoid robot, the Optimus Gen 3, and it is no longer a guy in a suit, and it is no longer a clumsy prototype stumbling on stage. This machine moves with eerie fluidity. It learns by watching, and according to Elon Musk, it is about to become the most valuable product in history, worth more than the entire auto industry combined. Today, we are looking at the machine that might build our future, or perhaps end the era of human labor. This is the story of Optimus Gen 3. So, what makes Gen 3 different? The answer lies in the details, specifically the hands. In robotics, walking is hard, but hands are impossible. The human hand is a masterpiece of engineering, with 27 degrees of freedom. Tesla's Gen 3 hand is now almost indistinguishable from ours in terms of movement. We are seeing footage of Optimus handling delicate objects, sorting battery cells, folding clothes, and even threading a needle. This isn't pre-programmed code. This is end-to-end neural network training. The robot sees the object, understands its physics, and adjusts its grip in milliseconds. It's also faster. Gen 3 walks 30% faster than the previous version, shedding 10 kilograms of weight while getting stronger. It doesn't walk like a robot anymore. It walks like a tired human, which is honestly a bit terrifying. But this isn't a science fair project. These robots have a job. Right now, inside the Giga Texas factory, Optimus bots are already deployed. They're moving parts, inspecting quality, and doing the dangerous, repetitive tasks that humans hate. Elon Musk confirmed that by next year, thousands of these units will be working alongside human employees at Tesla. This is the trial by fire. If they can survive the chaos of a car factory, they can survive anywhere. Think about what this means. A robot doesn't take bathroom breaks. It doesn't join a union. It doesn't sleep. It works 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, charging itself autonomously. Now, let's talk about the number that shook the industry: $20,000. Musk has stated that at mass scale, an Optimus robot will cost less than a Tesla Model 3, less than $20,000. Why? Because a robot is actually simpler than a car. It's a battery, some motors, and a computer. It has no airbags, no seats, no complex safety rating requirements. At $20,000, this becomes a consumer product. Imagine buying a butler for the price of a used Honda Civic, a machine that can cook your dinner, mow your lawn, and watch your kids. This price point is the iPhone moment for robotics. It moves the tech from military labs to your living room. Tesla isn't alone in this race. The competition is fierce. We have Figure AI, backed by OpenAI and Jeff Bezos. Their robot, Figure 02, is integrated with ChatGPT, allowing it to speak and understand context incredibly well. Then there is the legendary Boston Dynamics, whose new electric Atlas is stronger than any human. But Tesla has one advantage the others don't: the brain. Tesla has millions of cars on the road collecting real-world AI data. They're using the same full self-driving computer for the robot. While Boston Dynamics builds amazing bodies, Tesla is building the best brain. This brings us to the uncomfortable question. If a $20,000 robot can do manual labor better than a human, what happens to the human? We aren't just talking about factory jobs. Optimus is being trained to handle logistics, construction, and even elderly care. Elon Musk calls this a future of abundance, where goods are cheap because labor is free. But in the transition, millions could be displaced. Unlike the Industrial Revolution, where we moved from farms to factories, machines are now coming for the mind and the body simultaneously. Are governments ready for this? Is society ready? The Optimus Gen 3 is a marvel of engineering. It is beautiful, efficient, and inevitable. Whether you see it as a helpful assistant or a replacement, one thing is clear. The age of human-only labor is ending. The robots are here, and they are ready to work. Would you trust an Optimus robot in your home? Let me know in the comments below. For more updates on the future of humanity, subscribe to AI Insider. Thanks for watching.